of the chairman of this local government.
Thanks for joining us on Mayday News. We are live from our Abuja studio, bringing you the latest stories shaping Nigeria and the world at this hour. But first, let's tell you that the federal government has dismissed what it described as misleading narratives circulating in some quarters regarding Nigeria's scholarship students and the Kingdom of Morocco. It says such claims are false, unfounded, and deliberately crafted to misinform the public. The Minister of Education, Dr. Tunji Alausa, in a statement clarified that no Nigerian students on a valid federal government scholarship has been abandoned. He explained that all beneficiaries duly enrolled under the bilateral education scholarship program prior to 2024 have received payment up to 2024 budget year in line with the federal government's obligation. According to him, temporal delays in our standing payments are attributed to fiscal constraints and are currently being addressed through ongoing engagement between the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Finance. He further stated that no new bilateral scholarship awards were made in October 2025 or at any time thereafter. Interesting. Okay, so what we now tell you that while we talk about the Abuja Court grant bail, we tell you the Federal High Court in Abuja has granted a bail to former Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami alongside his wife and son. Each was granted bail in the sum of 5 million naira. The presiding judge, Emeka Nwete, also issued a stern warning to lawyers and litigants, cautioning them not to approach him directly in this matter. He emphasized that the best course of action for all parties is to secure competent legal representation to present and defend their cases in courts. According to the EFCC, the trio conspired to disguise the origin of funds estimated at 8.7 billion naira, acquired properties indirectly, and retained sums they allegedly knew were proceeds of unlawful activity. Joining us live in the studio to discuss these is TVC News reporter, senior reporter Celestina Area. Celestina, it's nice to have you.
Thank you for having me.
So let's get to it. Can you give us more details, on the bail conditions set by the court beyond the 500 million that we know?
Okay, 500 million for each defendant, his wife and his son, either as a prosecution or as a defendant. Nobody should approach him to influence it. He said that if it's been done before, he will overlook it, but it shouldn't happen again. He has warned that people should not come and meet him, that he would not bend the law rather for anybody.